video, I want to show you a better way to manage revisions when you're sending data to OpenBOM. You presently know that if you're working in CAD and you send a value of revision, for example, I've got a file here that's got revision property. We all do this. I've got a revision value A. And if I send this to OpenBOM, this assembly over to OpenBOM, I'm going to get a bunch of parts that have revisions. Now that's nice, and that works well, unless I also want to manage revisions in OpenBOM. And then I might end up with a little bit of a conflict with the revision coming from CAD and the revision from OpenBOM, and sort of which one is the true. Okay, so there now is a better way. So coming from CAD, you now have the ability to send the value of revision to a new OpenBOM property called CAD revision. Let me show you how that works. First of all, I'm going to go into the property chooser for OpenBOM in my CAD system, and I'm going to go down and select revision. If it's revisions over here, I need to send it over to my active list. Next, notice that there is a setting down here that says send revision to the CAD revision property. So I'm going to check that. What does that mean? That means to send the value of the revision property to OpenBOM, but put it in a property called CAD revision. Let me show you how that works. So I'm just going ahead and all I've done here is just turn that on. And I'm going to go ahead and just rebuild this BOM. And I'm using the flashlight. It's the sample data. Everybody's familiar with that. Okay, so here's my new BOM that I just generated with that setting turned on. And I'm going to see a new property show up over here. And it's kind of over here in the corner in my example, but it's called CAD revision. Let me use a little setting here to make this slightly more readable. It's also going to be on the far right when you add it. So anyway, here's a new property called CAD revision. It's right here. And this is going to have the revision that we sent over from CAD. And it's going to be independent of the revisions that are in OpenBOM. So I can clean this up or delete this whole column. And then I can start managing revisions in OpenBOM for these items using the revision command and keeping track of independent OpenBOM revisions as well as the associated CAD revision. So anyway, that is that's the March release, and that is in the settings, property selector. Be sure you choose revision out of the list, and then down here at the bottom, send revision values to CAD revision, to OpenBOM CAD revision property. So hope you find that useful. As always, love to hear from you at support@openbom.com. Thanks.